Alright, that's the first one down. That was so rotten I didn't even need to back cut it. It's just, you can see there's not much strength in it. So, yeah, I just did a bit of a scarf and it pulled over quite easily. Oh well, got it down alright. No damage to the house, thankfully. I would have liked to have had it slightly over that way, but it doesn't really matter. So now I've got to chop it up for firewood. Should keep us going for a few months.